Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by activating yeast and combining wet with dry to build structure. This matters for light donut balls. First, proof the yeast in 150 ml warm milk, about 40 degrees with a pinch of sugar. It should bloom in 5-7 minutes. Once foamy, add egg, 250 g flour, 50 g sugar, and 30 g softened butter. Mix until a shaggy mass forms, then knead 6-8 minutes by hand or machine. Make sure to create a smooth, slightly tacky dough for best rise. Once your dough is smooth, divide and weigh into uniform portions so frying is consistent. Aim for about 20 g per ball. Then shape into tight, smooth spheres by tucking seams under. This promotes even expansion. Place on a floured tray and proof for 45-60 minutes in a warm 25-28 degrees spot until noticeably puffed but not collapsed. Meanwhile, prepare oil and heat to 175 degrees 180 degrees. Proper temperature ensures you fry small balls quickly. Lower into 175 degrees 180 degrees oil and cook about 45-60 seconds per side, turning once. Overcrowding drops temperature, so do batches. Once golden, transfer to a rack to drain, then finish warm. Either toss in sugar or pipe filling and dip in glaze. Warmth helps adhesion. If your donut balls turn dense, check yeast freshness and proofing time. If they absorb too much oil, raise the oil temperature by 5 degrees and drain longer on paper than rack to eliminate excess.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.